Hello, my name is Jyoti Kumari.
And my name is Rishikesh Mundra. Being a student of class 10, we are here to represent Godwin School from Arogyam for the ATL Marathon 2021. In this marathon, we have created a mobile application to provide healthcare nutrition where we can know the status of our health. During this pandemic time, since we are unable to go out to the hospitals or clinics, so for this purpose, we have made an self-made app to provide the doctors in a video calling so that we can come into this app. Now I am going to tell you about the principles of the use this app. So first I am going to introduce the name of the app is SSME. When you log into this app, an interface will come like this. After that you get two options, enter your mobile number and password. Then after entering a mobile number and password, you need to put your name, contact number, address, age, body weight, blood group, set password. And then if you are successfully registered, like this interface will come in front of you. And if you put a wrong email ID or a wrong number, then the interface will come like this: invalid username and password.
In this slide, three options will come. Know about disease. In this, it means that you can know about your disease you are suffering from. In the second option, update your health status. It means that you can update your health status. Third option, check the report. Suppose I choose know about disease, then the list of diseases will come. It will show the symptoms, precautions and the cures of the particular disease. After choosing the check-in system, page will come out in which you have to put your registration ID, blood pressure, symptoms from the following list. After choosing your symptoms from the list, you can click on the check button.
After you have chosen your symptoms, a medical report will come in which your registration ID, contact and other details will be given along with the symptoms you have chosen and the diseases you may be suffering from. After this, you can click on the check the report option where you have to add your registration ID and your mobile number along with the report card which you will get from our app. After you have entered the credentials, the doctor will get a list in which your report card and ID will be with him. The doctor will check about the symptoms and tell you that you may be suffering from these diseases and suggest you some medicines and precautionary measures. Like in this case, the patient is suffering from malaria and the doctor has suggested him medicine XYZ. Thank you.